There's Larry chopping a tree. A Jew chopping a tree. Oh, and he's Samson now. Look at those muscles. Oh, 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 oh.
This whole thing is rocking.
You can hear it crack. Morris, how are you letting this man... No, it's not. Come on, Morris. Larry, is this your first big tree dropping?
No, you had a tree farm in New Hampshire.
Here it goes. Here it goes. There it goes. Timber! Boom! What a perfect drop.
There's the man. Nice job, Larry. Well done.
Well done, Lawrence.
We have 3 Jews.
He's a lumberjack and he's okay. He sleeps all night and he works all day. He chops down trees. He eats his lunch. He likes to wear women's clothing.
Oh, excuse me.
He's a lumberjack and he's okay.
Okay, turn the damn thing